If you are a complete beginner and you're struggling to play hands together, you are in the right place because I'm going to give you several different exercises that will hopefully help your coordination, and then once you've mastered these, you can hopefully transfer those skills onto something else. Let's dive into this lesson. So we're going to start simple, very, very simple, and we're going to gradually build upon that. So let's try this exercise. So in the right hand, you're going to place your thumb on C in this 5-finger position, and you're not going to be moving your hands anywhere. We're going to be keeping them in a stationary position. So we're going to go up and down. So C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D. So just playing like this is all the right hand is going to be doing. Very simple. To introduce the left hand then, first of all, we're just going to play the C. We're going to play the C's at the same time and keep that held down whilst your right hand goes up and down. And we always play the C's together. So we're going to do a few rounds of this. One more. So once you feel comfortable with that, we're going to increase the amount of times we play the left hand note. For every 2 notes we play in the right hand, we're going to play the left hand, still just this C. And you can use any finger you want. You don't have to use your little finger. You can use your thumb if you want to, but eventually we are going to be using all of our fingers. We're going to go together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Very slowly, keeping the left hand held through whilst you play the other note. So it's together, right. So then once you feel comfortable with that stage, we're going to do the same thing rhythmically, and our hands are going to play notes at the same time as then, but the left hand is also going to go up and down using all the fingers at half the speed that the right hand is. So you just need to get used to playing all of these notes. It's important that you use every single finger. Even the 4th finger, this one, which is a bit more awkward. So if I demonstrate, so we're going to go C. Some of them might sound a bit funny together. The left hand is gradually coming up, but it's still together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. So if you want to change the notes you're playing but still play that pattern, you could try it on starting with A, so over the notes A, B, C, D, E. And if you wanted to, you could start by playing these notes together, by playing your thumbs together. So changing direction is sometimes what makes putting hands together tricky. So whilst your right hand starts going up, your left hand starts going down. Thumbs together. So now we're going to try something very similar, but our hands are going to switch roles. So the left hand is going to play the notes more often than the right hand. So the right hand, we're just going to play a chord now. We're going to just play C and G, just 2 notes. So So the left hand, we're going to go back to this C position, is going to go up and do what the right hand was doing, but in this octave, so below middle C. So this time, for every 2 notes the left hand plays, the right hand is going to play that chord, that C and G. So together, left, together, left, together, left, together, left. So this time we're going to continue on this chord. We're going to play it on the beat. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to play some more specific notes in the left hand. Instead of just going up and down in a scalic pattern, we're going to play an A, and then an F, and then a C, and then a G. So let's do that a few times. So 3rd finger on A, little finger on F, thumb on C, 4th finger on G. And for every 4 times we play the right hand chord, we're going to change the left hand. So we'll play A together first, 2, 3, 4, change to F, 1, 2, 3, 4, change to C, 1, 2, 3, 4, change to G, 1, 2, 3, 4, back to A. Quite emotional, a bit quicker. So I hope you found that helpful, that useful. Let me know if you feel like it's made a difference. I would love to know in the comment section how you got on. So I hope you are well, and I will see you in the next one. That's the end of this video. If you have a request, please leave them in the comment section of this video. Also remember to like and subscribe. I've left some videos here you might like, so go and check those out. I also have a course, so if you would like to learn how to read music from scratch, go visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk. You can enroll and start learning. I'll see you in the next video.